The repair or rehabilitation of buildings has always been carried out from time immemorial as a result of the natural aging or reforms or changes of use of buildings. At present, old structures of buildings are repaired because of damages to the beams, which are replaced by other telescopic beams known as extent. This solution has many advantages as compared to the traditional systems. Traditionally, repairs are carried out by changing the beam, physical substitution, or by adding a new one alongside or below the existing beam, functional substitution. The extent beam is composed of a set of 5 profiles which are fitted into one another in an adjusted and telescopic manner. When used in pairs, they form 4 different beams designed in such a manner to address all the needs in the field of rehabilitation. The extent system uses aluminium to manufacture beams. Aluminium is light in weight, easy to transport, highly resistant, and needs no maintenance. The extent beam is made up of 3 parts as shown in this video. The central part is the largest section. The 2 parts on the extreme sides are fitted into the larger part in an adjusted and telescopic manner. Beams can also be formed by 2 profiles only. The system makes it possible to adjust the beam to the desired length without any need to take measurements on site. The extent beams are placed on aluminium brackets designed specifically for this purpose. The brackets are fitted into the wall with chemical or mechanical anchors depending on the type of wall, brick or concrete. In view of its fragmentation and lightweight, it can easily be transported to the installation site. For example, a 4.5 meter long HEB beam weighs 121 kilos, an IPN 160 weighs 80 kilos, and an extent beam of equivalent resistance weighs 46 kilos only. Given the fact that the beam comprises 3 parts, the largest weighs up 21 kilos, the extent beam does not transmit load to the wall because it is designed in such a way that it acts as a ball and a socket joint. For a total load of 500 kilos meter square, up to 7 meters space between supports can be covered. The filling up of the space between the beam can be done with resin mortar without retraction. Subsequently, a suspended ceiling made of fireproof material will be installed in accordance with the norms. This solution, as it can be observed, is simple and clean and causes minimum inconvenience when installed in residential buildings. If between 2 load walls there is a partition wall, and this is very frequent, the installation of the beam is just as easy, since the only thing to do is to open a small hole in the partition wall to pass the beam. Senaton is responsible for marketing and providing technical advice for the extent system of repair and rehabilitation of buildings.